So one of the things we do is employee recognition, right? Outside of the certifications and accreditations, it's employee recognition. So, we recognize when they succeed. We recognize, where they are in life as well, right? And kind of come alongside of them through that. Everybody has a different background. Everybody has, something that's going on, and we treat everybody like an individual. Through there, we do cross training. So the person that is receiving devices has the same opportunity to grow into a technician that the technician currently had. We train across multiple devices, continuing education. We provide that. We have this mentorship program where what we call a Barry Award, right, which is where we recognize one of our former employees that we lost suddenly. And he was a great lead technician out there on the floor. So what we did, we created this award that takes his initial, the letters in his name, and each letter stands for something. And then we identify those employees that demonstrate those abilities throughout a monthly basis. And then from there, we can recognize those on an individual level. So we make a big to-do about it. Every month we highlight 4 different individuals throughout the month that exhibited those types of traits. And then, they're also the same individuals that we look to grow into the next leaders of the organization as well. The type of advice I would give somebody that's looking to get ahead is really, it's the unteachables. It's come to work every day, come to work with a positive attitude, have drive, have determination, because the path is endless, right? I started off 21 years ago as a quality control technician. I was sorting parts at times, looking for quality parts. From there going into inspecting handsets. Fast forward, just going through the ranks. But it all started just with some drive and determination. If you have that, we're going to work with you to get you the skill sets that you need to be good at what you're doing. But it's the things that you can't teach. It's that drive, dedication, it's the reliability. They're the things that are going to separate you from somebody else. So from those aspects, I think, to succeed in life, success looks different for each individual, but it's the unteachables that are really going to separate you from those individuals that just want to do the 9 to 5.